Hey everyone, to this tutorial I'm going to show you how to force someone on your own network to download your file or your keylogger or your rat or whatever you want them to download and run. There's plenty of tutorials on YouTube if you're interested in creating your own keylogger. I'd suggest going over to hackforums.net and looking under the keylogger section, or you can just go to YouTube and type in how to set up Project Neptune and learn how to set up your own keylogger. Pretty sure you've seen stuff on that. But in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make someone on the network actually download it. And this is usually very successful. So we're going to need a few things. Let's go to Firefox. I will have the link in the description to download this file. That's the link right there. I'll have a link in the description, so you're going to want to download this. So download that. I already have it over here, so let's open up my home folder, and it is fake update. Hold up, let me just do this the easy way. You can go to your terminal and type in unzip, and then the name of the file, which in my case it's fake update.zip. Replacing fake update files. The reason why it's saying this for me is because I already have stuff in my home folder that has this, so I'm just gonna say yes and yes to all because I need to replace it. Hold up, capital A. There you go. I'm gonna change directory into fake update. So now these are my fake update files. We're going to need to move this entire folder to this directory over here. I will show you. So we have over here, let's see, fake update. This is my folder right here, fake update. Alright, that's my folder. Let me exit out of the terminal. We're going to copy this, go to File System, VAR, and www. Now over here, this is you don't need to worry about this. This is the leftovers are all my Java applet attacks, so don't worry about that. Paste. Actually, I forgot to do one thing. Okay, so when you first come here, you're gonna have this thing that says index.html. Index.html. Get rid of it. Throw it in the trash can. When you paste it in here, you wanna copy this and then come back here and paste it like that. So it's like this, and then you can just get rid of this folder. Okay, now you got the stuff. Hold up. Now you got the stuff in your Apache directory, and we're almost ready to start the attack. Okay, now what we need to do is we're gonna need to do a technique that you might be familiar with. It's called DNS spoofing. I gotta teach you how to set that up again. So if you don't have EtherCap, like again, I'll tell you. Hold up, you won't be able to see this. Open terminal tutorial. There you go. Now that's nice and big. Okay. apt get install EtherCap, and that will do the trick for you. Already the newest version for me. Excellent. Now let's change directory to gedit user local share ethercap ether.dns. Okay, now we're going to edit it. Like again, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. You see, you want to type asterisk A19. This is your IP address that gets entered right here, what I'm going to type in now. It's not hard to figure out your own IP address. I hope you can do that on your own. 192.168.1. Hold on, what's my IP address again? You just have to go to this WCD thing, and then mine says 192.168.199. This you can find that under internet and right here. So 199. Alright, we're good to set up on this. Click save and exit. And now you can start your DNS attack. You want to know the IP address of your victim. So like I said, you can do that by doing nmap-sn and your IP address of your gateway. And like I said before, if you don't know the IP address of your gateway, you can go to click route, and your gateway is right here. Don't worry about the one that says this one because I'm technically connected to two Technically connected to like two networks right now because I have two wireless interfaces, but yours will only show one. So gateway 192.168.0.1. Okay, and then /24 for a Class C network. Enter. Alright, these are all my stuff. The computers on my network. The one I'm particularly interested in is 192.168.0.4, and that's the one I'm going to be demonstrating on. So if you don't know the IP address of your victim computer, all you have to do is just go to the computer and type in CMD, and then type ipconfig. You can't do that though if you're trying to do an attack, so you'll just have to find out which one you want to do. Okay, we're ready to start the ethercap attack. ethercap-t-i.wlan1. Like I said before in my other backtrack video, I have WLAN1 because that's the name of my external network interface card. Yours will probably be WLAN0, but I'll show you how to do that again. If config, WLAN0 is my internal laptop adapter. WLAN1 is my actual external one. This is the one that I'm using, so you can find that out. WLAN1, Q for quiet mode, M for the kind of attack, ARP, remote, gateway IP address goes here, victim IP address goes here, DNS spoof, watch that underscore, okay, enter. Cool. Wait. Hold up. Why does it say only one host? Alright, hold up, I gotta fix something here because apparently my computer is complaining. Alright. Let me fix something real quick and we'll get back on track. I think the reason is because I'm connected to two networks at once, and that's not cool. Refresh. Alright, disconnect all. Okay, preferences. Just back to WLAN1. Sorry about this. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, here we are. So let's try doing nmap again, just to make sure everything's going alright. Ping scan my entire network, find out which computers are on it, and we will retry the ethercap. When you do this, you should probably have no problems at all. I'm just running into a little bit of a difficulty, so sorry about that. Alright, my computer's up. Let's copy this one. Okay, I'm just going to Control-C. Alright, ethercap, TI-WLAN1, QM, ARP, remote. Actually, just in case I entered it wrong. Alright, there we go. 2 hosts added to the host list. Now it's working. Now I'm getting stuff DNS spoofed. Thank God. Okay. We're going to minimize this. And then now pay attention to my mouse here. We're going to go to Applications, Backtrack, Services, HTTPD, Apache Start. Wait for this to finish. Cool. We're ready. So now, this is everything as oh shit. Okay, no, actually we're not ready. I have to first show you something. First gotta show you something. It's okay, we got time. Alright, we're gonna go to file system in the directory var www. You see this index.html? I'm gonna show you what the fake update page looks like. Let's right click this, open with Firefox web browser. Now, this is the fake update page that your what do you call it? Your victim will see, and you have to admit this is pretty darn convincing. You look through it and it's like, wow, this looks pretty legit, pretty cool. The download button is right here, where you can download the criticalupdate.exe. You see right here where it says like date published 5/9/2007 and download size 624, and the version. That's kind of inconvenient because your person's gonna be like, well, what the hell? It's 2012, but we can fix that. So let's exit out. Let's keep this up right here, and let's edit this index.html file. So let's open with gedit text editor. All right, now we got this HTML code here, and this is looks kind of intimidating at first, but we can go through this. Just all you got to do is just do a Control F, and you probably want to change the date published. So the day you're going to do this attack, you want to select the date it is today. So let's copy and paste this 5/9/2007 and copy it into the find. Hold up. Yeah, that's not gonna work. 5/9/2007. Copy. Paste. Okay. Make sure you just get rid of that stuff. Okay. 5/9/2007. Find. There. See, now it found the actual text right here. So we're going to change this to today's date, which is 1/15/2012. That'll make it more believable. There's another thing you want to do, and that's the download size. So check the size of your file and see if it's see what the size is. We're gonna look for 624 kilobytes. It's right there. So we're gonna change this. Let's say my file is like 1,500 kilobytes. You just do this. KB. Cool. Another thing is that you might want to change is the version. Usually, if you're gonna make a keylogger or the version or whatever, you might want to change this, but this really isn't too important. If you want to change it, you can find it like right here where it says quick version, quick info value 100, and you change it to whatever you want. So we did the minimum. What we need to do, I would save this, exit, and then you can exit out of this thing. Oh, and another thing is the file that you want them to download, you put it in here and you rename. You can delete this file right here that says criticalupdate.exe. You can delete it, but when you put your keylogger in here, you want to rename it exactly to this criticalupdate.exe. Make sure the first C of critical is capitalized. Make sure the first U of update is capitalized. And then once you do that, now you are ready to go. Let's just see if the changes took place with my index.html document by opening it up in Firefox web browser. Now, as you can see, the changes have taken place. Download size has changed to 1,500 kilobytes, and the date published has changed to 1/15/2012. Okay, we're going to exit out of this. Now we are ready to do our little DNS spoofing attack, and don't worry about this. This is just some DNS requests that all computers typically make. So now I'm going to be on my victim computer, and I'm going to visit a website, and it's going to be redirected to my malicious fake update site. Beautiful fake update site. Alright, let's go to youtube.com. We all love YouTube. There you go. See, youtube.com. Oh my gosh, I have my Windows critical update thing right in front of me here. I'm going to download. And then now it's asking me if I want to run or save this file, criticalupdate.exe from youtube.com. And then, hey, that's how they download it. They go to any other website, then they'll be redirected back to us. Well, let's try facebook.com. No, I don't like Facebook. MySpace.com. How about it? Got the same old Windows critical update thing. So we're good. So that's the tutorial. Just learn how to DNS spoof, and once they download it, you can stop the DNS spoofing. I would just leave it on a little bit and see if they visited the websites or not, and then they wait like 30 seconds or something, then go ahead quit by pressing Q, and that would stop it. So that's the tutorial. You might run into some problems. I don't know if you will or not, but like sometimes I run into a problem where the person can't see the images. Now the images are all like in the little thing right here, and usually if they can't see the images, I have to go ahead and search that out because I have to figure out why they can't see the images. But other than that, I mean, it should work. It really should work. I've done this before, and everything should be okay. Yeah, that's a tutorial. If you need any help, yeah, I guess shoot me a PM, and then I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, so hope that works for you guys. See you next time.